Hi students, today we will learn about electrolyte imbalance in human body. So the first electrolyte is sodium. The normal value of sodium in blood is 135 to 145 millimole per liter. If the value exceed 145 millimole per liter, then it will be the case of hypernatremia. And if the value is less than 135 millimole per liter, then it will be the case of hyponatremia. The next electrolyte is potassium. The normal value of potassium in blood is 3.5 to 5.5 millimole per liter. If the value exceed from 5.5 millimole per liter, then it will be case of hyperkalemia, and if the value is less than 3.5 millimole per liter, then it will be the case of hypokalemia. The next electrolyte is calcium. The normal value of calcium in human body is 8.5 to 10.2 mg per dl. So, if the value increases 10.2 mg per dl, then it will be the case of hypercalcemia, and if the value is less than 8.5 mg per dl, then it will be the case of hypocalcemia. The next electrolyte is magnesium. The normal value of magnesium in blood is 1.5 to 2.5 millimole per liter. If the value exceeded 2.5 millimole per liter, then it will be a case of hypermagnesemia, and if the value decreases 1.5 millimole per liter, then it will be the case of hypomagnesemia. The next electrolyte is phosphate. The normal value of phosphate in human body is 2.4 to 4.4 mg per dl. So, if the value increases 4.4 mg per dl, then it will be the case of hyperphosphatemia, and if the value is lower than 2.4 mg per dl, then it will be the case of hypophosphatemia. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such content, subscribe to Educorium.